It's 3 o'clock in the morning, somebody knocks at your door. What should you do? Before I tell you, I'm gonna let you know that we're giving away a gun. This gun giveaway is going on right now and you can enter for free, but it ends really soon. So just click the link in the description down below to learn which brand new gun you could win. Now, back to this question. There's a knock at my door at 3 a.m. What should I do? Well, the first thing is, don't go to the door. You're not expecting anybody. Nobody's supposed to be there. There's no business for you going to the door. Somebody's knocking at that door and, good or bad. On the good side, maybe it's the police, but they're only there to give you bad news at 3 in the morning. So let them call you on the phone and tell who they are outside the door. Somebody's knocking at your door at 3 in the morning. You don't want to go answer that door. Now, people are going to say, yeah, but what if? Yeah, but what if? I'm from Wisconsin. They say, yeah, but a lot. What if it's my kid who's out and he lost his key or something like that? Everybody has a cell phone. Let that person call and let you know that they need to be let in. If somebody's out there banging at your door at 3 in the morning and it wakes you up, I don't want you walking to that door. Don't grab your shotgun, grab your AR, grab your pistol, whatever it is you're going to grab and go to that door and let the fight come to you. Don't do that. Stay in your safe place. Institute your home protection plan. Make sure that everyone else is in their safe place. And if whoever is knocking at that door begins to knock harder or try to kick it in, well then absolutely get on 911 and institute that plan. And you are far better off, you are far more safe if somebody kicks in your door to make them come down the hallway and into your bedroom than for you to be standing in the kitchen and a sudden assault, they're rushing at you, lots of different things are happening. No, be in your safe place. Be in a position of tactical advantage, and this does so many things for you. It allows you to make sure that you are safe behind cover or concealment, and you're forcing these people, the attackers or attacker, to come in through that fatal funnel of a doorway. Easier for you to put rounds on target. This person has to come through the doorway, and much easier to defend legally because now this person came through the front door and searched you out in your home, came through your bedroom door. Very easy for you to tell the investigating officers and thereby the prosecutor that, yep, this person was bent on causing me death or great bodily harm. And that just puts you in a much better position for your legal defense after you've won the physical defense because you were in a position of tactical advantage. They had to come through a doorway. They didn't know where you were, but you sure as heck knew where they were. And easy to shoot at the doorway, easy to get hits on target. Again, somebody's knocking at your door at 3 in the morning. I mean, chances are, unless you're hanging out with a lot of people who come to your house after bar time, this is a person who's up to no good, or they could be calling you to let you know what's going on. Just a blind knock at the door in the middle of the night wakes you up, typically never anything good. So you hear that knock, start your home defense plan. Make sure that you know where your kids are, you know where your wife is, you know where your spouse is, your significant other, everything else. You keep hearing the knock at the door, then the more and more persistent this person is being, the higher up your level of preparedness escalates, and you've got several doors and hallways and other elements in your house between you and the bad guy. That's a good thing. You don't have to be Rambo, rush down the hallway, out in, get to the door and demand to know who's there and shoot them through the doorway. You're going to get in trouble if you do that. You're going to end up going to jail. And if you do go out there, there's no guarantee that you will win the fight. You put yourself in a much better position if you're fighting from a barricade fighting location. And I mean, ask the Marines. They dig fighting trenches. They do that for a reason, because they're protected. Then the bad guys have to come to them when they try to storm the trenches. Make home invaders do that to you. Get behind your bed, get behind your dresser, whatever it is that you can use for cover or concealment, and make the bad guy come to you. Please don't go out there and chase him down. If you hear that knock at the door at 3 in the morning, don't answer it. Get ready to call 911. Get ready to institute your home defense plan. Want to know when it's legal to draw your gun? Click the video right next to me to reveal a detailed explanation from a former police officer and competitive shooter. Click this video right next to me.
You need to analyze every situation as if your life depended on it, because your life will depend on it.